Cracks in your bathtub? Here's the real deal on how to fix that mess without losing your mind or your cash. So first off, if you spot a crack in the tub, don't just ignore it or slap some random stuff on it and hope for the best. The key is to clean the area really well. Get rid of soap, scum, dirt, and all that gunk so any repair product sticks properly. Next, pick the right repair kit. Most hardware stores sell epoxy or acrylic repair kits made for tubs. These usually come with filler and paint to match your tub color. When you apply the epoxy, make sure you follow the instructions exactly. Don't rush it. Patience here pays off. Let it cure fully, which might take a day or two depending on the product. Also, avoid using the tub during this time to keep water from ruining your repair. If the crack is deep or keeps coming back, it might be a sign that the tub itself is stressed or damaged underneath, so getting a professional to check it out makes sense. Last tip, if you want to avoid dealing with this again, consider whether replacing the tub fits your budget and long-term plans. Sometimes, what looks like a quick fix can turn into a bigger headache down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing bathtub cracks is using cheap materials like regular glue or Bondo that aren't designed for wet, flexible surfaces. These just peel off fast and waste your time and money. Another common issue is not properly prepping the surface. If you don't clean and sand the area first, the repair won't stick and will fail super quick. Third mistake is rushing the curing process. Getting impatient and using the tub before the epoxy hardens can cause the repair to break apart or crack again. The fix? Always use a quality tub repair kit designed for water damage, follow cleaning and prep steps thoroughly, and give it plenty of time to dry before jumping back in. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making those repairs way less stressful. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors to find new work and build their reputation in the community, so everyone wins,